Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Dr.Razziq Pharmacist Gateway channel. Welcome Pharmacist community. How are you? Hope all you will doing very well. And today
Today, we are going to discuss various queries regarding MOHAP, UAE Medical Licensing Exam, and its Dataflow PSV process. We will be discussing many important queries by healthcare professionals in this video, like what is MOHAP exam? What is Dataflow and what is PSV? How Dataflow for MOHAP exam is different than DHA exam. How to complete MOHAP Dataflow process, step-by-step guideline. How to know status of Dataflow application for MOHAP exam. How much does the complete process cost? How to get a refund. At the end you will sure that you will be able to understand many aspects related to MOHAP exam registration, and its Dataflow processing. MOHAP, which stand for Ministry of Health and Prevention, formerly known as MO, Ministry of Health UAE only. Healthcare professionals, who are willing to practice in UAE Emirates of Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah are required to take MOHAP Prometric exam. All healthcare professionals are required to go through to this document's verification step. The Dataflow Group is a specialized international company, which conducts PSV, which stands for Primary Source Verification. This is a process of verifying the applicant's documents, directly from the original or primary source that issued the document, to confirm its authenticity, to ensure that subjected healthcare professional has the qualification, experience, or licenses applicant claims, and to protect general public from potential occupational fraud. The major difference in Dataflow process between MOHAP and Dubai Health Authority, DHA Medical Licensing Exam is that, for MOHAP exam, candidate simply uploads all required documents, while completing the license application, on MOHAP website, which are being forwarded by Health Ministry to Dataflow Group for PSV. Dataflow process for DHA exam can be performed by candidate himself separately, giving option to candidate to complete PSV process, after sitting for concerned Prometric exam. For more details, you can watch our video, made for DHA exam Dataflow process. All healthcare professionals to obtain an evaluation certificate to get MOHAP license issued, are required to follow given steps. Visit MOHAP website here, for creating an account, and start your electronic service. Click at the Create New Account link, for new applicant, and fill out this sign-up form with required details. Enter your login information. Make sure to use valid email and contact number. All your future communication will be done using your provided email and contact number. In additional information, beside other information, being IMG, select Passport as identity option, and ensure to provide correct passport information. For user group, select Individual. As soon as you submit this form, an automatic email with login details will be sent at your registered email address, and your account will be created. Log in as customer, on the above given link, with the provided login details. On landing all services page, as you can see, that MOHAP has provided all required services under a single account option. Our concerned service today is evaluation service. Click on this, carefully read this application declaration, and accept it. Choose New Evaluation option for your application. To upgrade first medical title, you may choose second medical title option. Click Next button to proceed. Choose the category you are applying for, and click Next button. Let's assume that you are a physician, and willing to apply as general practitioner. Don't worry. The steps are similar for other healthcare professionals. Acknowledge, through clicking here, that you have all required documents, and click Next button. Select General Practitioner as medical title, and click Next. For specialty, click General Practitioner, and click Next. As you may already know, that to practice as GP for MOHAP exam, candidate must have 2 years clinical experience, after 1 year of successfully completing house job. Otherwise, as fresh graduate, you may apply for internee title. In our case, we will select No option, and click Next button. If you have already processed your Dataflow PSV, then select Yes, and click Next button. Select this checkbox if your Dataflow report has verified status, otherwise leave it empty, and provide your Dataflow reference number, so that your existing report will be attached with this application. On the other hand, if it is your first time you are processing your Dataflow report, then choose No option, and click at Next button. Fill out your educational qualification details on this page. All fields marked with red asterisk are mandatory. Click Next button. Upload your scanned copy of qualification certificate, and click Next button. You can also add multiple qualifications in the same way. Now add your house job or internship details and upload related certificate. To meet minimum requirement to be able to work as GP, candidate must have at least 2 years clinical experience that could be at a single, or at up to 3 health facilities. Therefore, we need to click at Add More Experience link. Let's assume our 2 years experience is at a single health facility, then provide details accordingly, and click Next button. Upload related experience certificate, and click Next. You can also add multiple experience and certificates in the same way. In the end, in license section, please add your good standing certificate, Dataflow report, if you already have it, MOHAP, old evaluation certificate and different medical licenses details you have passed, such as USMLE, PLA or DHA. Provide your basic medical license details, and upload relevant certificate, issued by Medical Council of graduating country. If you have passed any other medical licensing exam such as USMLE, PLA or DHA, or other, then provide details in the same way. In the end, provide details regarding good standing certificate, and upload its scanned copy, and click at Next button. In the end, you may preview all your submitted information, and edit it from here, if needed. Otherwise, you may submit your application from here. Once your application is successfully submitted, you will be notified accordingly. Kindly save your allotted R number and request number for future reference. Now you may proceed to service fee payment page through clicking at Go to Payment button. Choose the payment method and click at Process for Payment button. After successfully making payment, your MOHAP dashboard will be updated accordingly. After completing the license application on the MOHAP website, your form will be sent to the Dataflow group for PSV. The Dataflow group team will then send you an email comprising a link to settle the payment, in addition to instructions for applying. Upon receipt of the credit card payment, the Dataflow group will initiate the PSV. Kindly visit this website to check the current status of your application. This can be done by entering your Dataflow case number and passport number. Or by using Dataflow reference number and passport number. Depending upon the exam categories of physicians, dentists, nurses, midwives, and allied healthcare professionals, and their wide range specialties, the total cost may vary accordingly. It is highly advisable to carefully read the instructions and review the MOHAP criteria to determine whether you are eligible for a license or not. because MOHAP initial application fee is non-refundable. Dataflow group fee refund can only be availed if request is submitted within a maximum of 48 hours from the date of payment of the Dataflow group fee. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for you and will clarify many of your questions related to MOHAP exam registration and its Dataflow process. Then, do not forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have multiple UAE Pharmacists WhatsApp groups * Pharmacists Gateway. Linked with YouTube channel https://youtube.com/@dr.razziq. So do join us. Subscribe, share and like the channel. https://youtube.com/@dr.razziq.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you already subscribed Dr. Razziq Pharmacist Gateway channel. If you don't, you can do it now. Also like this video and also spread this channel, Dr. Razziq Pharmacist Gateway channel, to other pharmacist community so that they can get benefit from these job videos and other related videos. So thank you very much again and Fi Manila.